Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We got two FJs as you can see here, both kind of similar and different in their own ways. Factory paint, wrap on this one. This one actually just came back from being wrapped, but they both happen to be here at the same time, so I thought I would share both these trucks at the same time with you. This one's got 37's on it, which you probably don't see very often on an FJ Cruiser. This one's got 37's. It's a 37 12.5 by 17. It does have gears in it, because someone's going to say, how does that thing move itself? It's got gears in it, so it has been re-geared. It also has a set of our 0 degree with no top plates, DOM TIG welded rock sliders on it. Has one of our Westcott Designs roof racks with the roof nest. And this one also has our spare tire relocation kit on the back here. So this allows you to clear the spare tire here and the rear bumper here. So it's pretty cool. There's a 37 with our relocation kit with an aftermarket bumper, and it clears the back very well. So it's got another mount here. This is off the door that works for jerry can or excuse me, Rotopack. This one has got the 35's on it here. It's got our spare tire relocation kit on it. You can see there's plenty of room there underneath it. Bolts right onto the factory. The camera relocates on that. This truck actually has a Bilstein setup in it. It's got a 5100 in the rear and a 6112 in the front. This has our preload collar kit on it, and it is still running the factory upper control arms on it. This is our kit with our collar, and we're able to get the 35's to clear on this. We did do our body mount chop on this as well. It's kind of going back together still. You can see this was originally tan underneath. This truck is going to get a set of our Westcott Designs rock sliders on it and one of our roof racks as well. So, and there's a front bumper coming for it, but since we had them both here together, we wanted to share that with you. Another really cool thing, this has a front end conversion on it. If you look at the front, obviously not with the bumper, but if you look at the front of it, it's pretty unique. It's a different look for it for sure. It actually almost looks futuristic. So it's kind of looks like a new design facelift for the FJ Cruiser. So wanted to share that with you. And then there's some guy over here just started up his truck. He wants to attract some attention. He wants us to do some filming over there next. But anyways, wanted to share both these trucks with you. And you can kind of see, I mean, the 35's look pretty big, but then you look at this truck with 37's and it looks absolutely massive. Just a monster. So please reach out to us. Let us know if you got any questions. Happy to answer them for you. Thanks again for watching.